Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. Today I am going to explain about 8th class Maths chapter number 12 factorization, exercise 12.4. In last video I explained exercise 12.3 problems. So today I am going to explain about problems in exercise 12.4. So in exercise 12.4 problems are: find the errors and correct the following mathematical sentences. In this exercise, we have some problems. Firstly, we have to find the errors of this mathematical sentence and then we have to correct them. So first problem is 3 into x minus 9 equal to 3x minus 9. Solution for this problem is 3 into x minus 9 equal to 3x minus 9. It is wrong. So the right answer is 3 into x, 3x minus 3 9s are 27. This is the correct answer. Next, second problem. X into 3x plus 2 equal to 3x square plus 2. Solution for this problem is x into 3x plus 2 equal to 3x square plus 2 is wrong answer. So the right answer is x into 3x, 3x square plus x into 2, 2x. So this is the correct answer. Next, third problem. 2x plus 3x equal to 5x square. This is also wrong. Solution for this problem is 2x plus 3x equal to 5x. We don't get square when we adding the terms. So 5x is the correct answer. Next, fourth problem. 2x plus x plus 3x equal to 8x. Solution for this is 2x plus x plus 3x equal to 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6. So the answer is 6x. So it is wrong. It is not 8x, it is 6x. Next problem is fifth one. 4p plus 3p plus 2p plus p minus 9p equal to 0. It is wrong. Let's see what is the right answer. 4p plus 3p plus 2p plus p minus 9p equal to 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. That means 10p minus 9p. Then we get 1p. That means p, not 0. So the correct answer is p. Next problem is sixth one. 3x plus 2y equal to 6xy. Solution for this problem is 3x plus 2y equal to not 6xy, because we have in between these two terms plus symbol. If we have here multiplication symbol, then we get 6xy, but here we have addition symbol. So the answer is 3x plus 2y only. Next problem. 3x whole square plus 4x plus 7 equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 7. Solution for this problem is 3x whole square plus 4x plus 7 equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 7. It is wrong, because here 3x whole square we have. That means this square is belongs to 3 and x. That means 3 square means 9, x into x, x square plus 4x plus 7. So this is our correct answer. So this is wrong, this is right answer. Next problem is 2x whole square plus 5x equal to 4x plus 5x equal to 9x. Let's see the solution for this problem. 2x whole square plus 5x. Here 2x whole square means 2 to the 4 x square plus 5x. So this is the correct answer and this one is wrong. Next, ninth problem. 2a plus 3 whole square equal to 2a square plus 6a plus 9. Solution for this problem is 2a plus 3 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. Formula for this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a equal to 2a and b equal to 3. So the formula for this is 2a whole square plus 2 into 2a into 3 plus 3 square. That means 4a square plus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. 12a plus 3 3 is 9. So this is our solution. Next, 10th bit, substitute x equal to minus 3 in some problems given. In that, a1 x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 plus 12 equal to 9 plus 4 plus 12 equal 25. Let's see the correct solution. X square plus 7x plus 12. If we substitute x equal to minus 3 here, minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 plus 12. 3 3 is 9. Minus into minus plus here. Plus into minus minus. 7 3 is 21 plus 12. So here 9 plus 12, 21 minus 21. So 21 minus 21 is 0. So answer for this problem is 0. Next problem is x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 6 equal to 9 minus 15 plus 6 equal to 0. Solution for this problem is x square minus 5x plus 6. We have to substitute x equal to minus 3 in this equation. Then minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 6. Minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9. Minus into minus plus 5 3 is 15 plus 6. 9 plus 15 plus 6 is 30. So the solution for this problem is 30. Next problem, x minus 4 whole square equal to x square minus 16. Solution for this problem is x minus 4 whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. Formula for this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to x and b equal to 4. So let's substitute this in this. X square minus 2x into 4 plus 4 square. That means x square minus 4 to the 8 x plus 4 4 is 16. This is the correct answer. Next problem, x plus 7 whole square equal to x square plus 49. This is also same model of this. X plus 7 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. The formula for this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Since a equal to x and b equal to 7, let's substitute. X square plus 2 into x into 7 plus 7 square. x square plus 2 7s are 14 x plus 7 7s are 49. This is the correct answer. Next problem is 3a plus 4b into a minus b equal to 3a square minus 4a square. Let's see the solution. 3a plus 4b into a minus b. Here we can multiply this like this. 3a into a, 3a square, plus into minus minus, 3a into b, 3ab, plus into plus plus, 4b into a, 4ab, plus into minus minus, 4b into b, 4b square. So 3a square minus 3ab plus 4ab means plus ab. That means 4 minus 3, 1 minus 4b square. This is the correct solution for this problem. Next problem, x minus 4 into x minus 2 equal to x square minus 8. Solution for this problem is x minus 4 into x minus 2. As above problem, x into x, x square minus 2x plus into minus minus 4x minus into minus plus 4 to the 8, x square minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x plus 8. This is the correct solution. Next problem, 5x cube divided by 5x cube equal to 0. Solution for this is 5x cube divided by 5x cube. That means 5x cube by 5x cube. When we cancel this 5x cube in numerator and denominator, we get 1. That means the answer is 1. So here he gave 0. So this is wrong. The correct answer is 1. Next problem is 2x cube plus 1 divided by 2x cube equal to 1. Solution for this problem is 2x cube plus 1 divided by 2x cube. What he did means he cancelled these two terms and give answer like 1. But when we have like this, in between these two terms we have addition symbol. So we can separate these two like 2x cube by 2x cube plus 1 by 2x cube. This denominator 2x cube is belongs to this one and this one. Then we can cancel these two x cubes in numerator and denominator. Then we get 1 plus 1 by 2x cube. This is the correct answer. Next problem is 3x plus 2 divided by 3x equal to 2 by 3x. Solution for this problem is 3x plus 2 divided by 3x. Same as above problem, we can separate this as 3x by 3x plus 2 by 3x. So here we can cancel both 3x in numerator and denominator. Then we get 1 plus 2 by 3x. This is the solution for this problem. Next problem, 3x plus 5 divided by 3 equal to 5. This is also wrong. Let's see. 3x plus 5 divided by 3. Here also 3x by 3 plus 5 by 3. Here 3 ones are 3 ones are. So we have x plus 5 by 3. This is the solution. And the last problem in this exercise, 4x plus 3 divided by 3 equal to x plus 1. 4x plus 3 by 3. This is also we can separate like above problems. 4x by 3 plus 3 by 3. Here 3 ones are. We can cancel 3 both numerator and denominator. Then the remaining one is 4x by 3 plus 1. This is our final solution. If you like, try these two problems as I explained in this video. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.